Have you ever wondered why some people earn more every year, yet never become wealthy? The answer isn't income. It's something much more dangerous. It's called the financial comfort zone. At first, it feels safe. You get a raise, life becomes easier. You celebrate. Maybe you buy a newer phone, a bigger apartment, a better car. Nothing seems wrong. After all, you worked hard for it. But without realizing it, your expenses quietly grow with your income. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it's one of the biggest reasons people stay broke. Imagine two friends. Both receive a $500 monthly raise. The first friend upgrades everything: more expensive clothes, more restaurant meals, a newer car, premium subscriptions. Within a few months, that extra $500 is completely gone. The second friend makes a different decision. They keep living almost exactly the same. They invest most of the raise, they build an emergency fund, they buy assets instead of liabilities. 5 years later, the difference is shocking. One person still waits for the next paycheck. The other has investments quietly producing wealth. Same raise, different decisions. That's the power of escaping your financial comfort zone. Here's why it's so difficult. Your brain loves comfort. It wants rewards today, not 10 years from now. That's why buying something new feels exciting. Saving money doesn't. Investing money doesn't. Your brain treats spending like a reward, but wealthy people train themselves differently. Instead of rewarding themselves with purchases, they reward themselves with progress. Watching investments grow, seeing savings increase, paying off debt, those become the new rewards. This simple mindset shift changes everything. Now think about your own life. Every time your income increases, do your expenses automatically increase too? If the answer is yes, you're trapped in the financial comfort zone. The good news, you can escape. Here's a simple rule. Every time you receive a raise, pretend it never happened. Automatically invest part of it. Save another part. Only spend a small percentage. This allows your lifestyle to improve slowly while your wealth grows much faster. Another powerful habit: stop comparing yourself to other people. Many expensive lifestyles are financed by debt. The nicest car on the street may have the biggest monthly payment. The newest phone may have been bought on credit. Real wealth is often invisible. It lives in investment accounts, emergency funds, retirement savings, assets that quietly grow year after year, not flashy purchases. Remember, the goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to become financially free. Financial freedom means choices. The choice to leave a stressful job, the choice to spend more time with family, the choice to live without constant money anxiety. Those choices are worth far more than temporary luxury. The next time your income increases, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Upgrade your future instead. Because the people who become wealthy aren't always the ones who earn the most. They're the ones who refuse to let comfort steal their future. Escape the financial comfort zone, and you'll discover something surprising. The less you need to impress others, the faster your wealth begins to grow. That's how ordinary people quietly build extraordinary financial freedom.